Hi Sherwin Trinidad, my name is John Paulo Niedo from BSAMT 4th year. So today, we will determine the rated speed highway curve of radius, speed 400 feet, bank through angle 18 equals to 18 degrees. The rated speed of a bank highway curve is the speed at which a car should travel if no lateral friction force is to be exerted at its wheel. So, to find the rated speed bank high curve where no lateral friction force is exerted, we can use the formula V in tan 0, where rated speed in feet, and R is for radius of the curve, and G for acceleration due to gravity, and degrees bank angle in degrees. So feet, 0, the given is radius 400 feet, and degrees is equals to 18 degrees. So step, calculate the tan using the angle directly in degrees. Then using the angle directly in degrees, tan is 18 degrees equals to 0.3249, and substitute the values into the formula, that it will be the V is equal to 432.2 tan 18 degrees. And then the third step, the V 432.2 equals to 3249, and V equals to 1048, since 32.2 is 0.3249 equals to 10. Then the rated speed is 419.2 equals to 64.69 feet. So to determine the rated speed highway, first we're gonna use the formula. So my name is John Paulo Niedo. BSAMT 4th year. So the question is, to determine the rated speed highway curve of radius, the rated speed 400 feet, bank through angle degrees 18. The rated speed of a bank highway curve is the speed at which a car should travel if no lateral friction force. So the formula is here, upside greater Fy and my, then W negative W plus R cosine degrees is 0, and it will be R equals to W cosine. Then 2, after all, it will be plus left and greater than Fn man, and it will be R sin 0 man sin negative weight and gravity is equals to Y2 and P. Then we'll go to rated speed equals GP R sin then W. To find the GP, it will be cross this one and will be tan over W cos and close that cos rated speed GP tan and 0 degrees. The total is 32.2 400 tan 18 and it will become prorated rated speed high. The rated speed is 64.69 feet speed. So the final answer is 64 feet. Once again, my name is John Paulo Niedo. Thank you for listening, Sir Sherwin Trinidad. I hope you learned something from me. And thank you for listening po.